this wig should be more than that because it is fire. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you guys I'm coming to you with a hair review. Yes, a new hair review. You guys, before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It should be the first thing you do. And like, comment, you know, any of your thoughts or anything like that. Say hey to Ginger. Ginger, say hey. But then you guys, I'm coming to you guys with a hair review, and I'm gonna insert a box probably like over here covering Ginger on the unboxing of the hair. But I just want to jump on here really quick for a few minutes to actually show you guys the wig on and everything like that. So this is a wig, you guys, I've ordered off of, you've seen the title, Amazon. Yes, Amazon, girl. This wig is just beautiful. When I say this is my first purchase of a wig off of Amazon, and I think I did a wonderful job. I did my research. I looked at a few other girls' YouTube videos who order hair off of Amazon, and it boiled down to this one wig, you guys, and I'm glad I made the choice of choosing this one. It didn't come like this. I curled it. I did the curls myself. I bought this 1-inch curling iron from Conair right here. You can't really see it. Yeah, there you go. On Amazon too. This was $10. You looking for a 1-inch curling iron? $10 off of Amazon as well. And I'll put this in the link too. But y'all, this wig is from Hermosa. It's the Hermosa 9A lace front wig. What I have is 18 inches. So it is longer than this. Like I said, I just curled it. It's 150 density and it's straight. And I paid $137. Y'all, this wig should be more than that because it is fire. The hair is so soft, so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, look at this. I did all of this myself, y'all, so I'm not a professional. I did the cutting of lace, I did the glue down, I did the baby hairs, I did all of that. I do need to put a little makeup on, like I did the makeup on my part, like I plucked it and did all of that. You will, you know, need to pluck it and bleach it if you want to. I don't bleach hair. I'm not like a bleacher. Instead, I'm gonna mess the entire wig up. So I just put like makeup on it and keep it rolling. I think I did a good job. I should have showed y'all how I did this, but you guys, if you've never ordered a wig off of Amazon and you are skeptical, like me, I be like worried and stuff, don't be worried about this one, y'all. This is the first try wig you can order off of Amazon and not worry about it, you know, being but. Because it is really good, okay? Really, really good. And I got it in 2 days. It was super fast, of course, with Amazon. Y'all, I'm gonna be rocking this one for a minute because I was doing the curly hair for a little minute, but this one right here, baby, I love it, I love it. All right, let me show y'all the back or whatever. This is the back. Y'all see it. I hope y'all can hear me over my AC because when that cut on, it is loud. But back to the front. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of me because I need to take some pictures. But y'all, okay, what else I like about this hair, it comes already layered. It's layered for you, which I really appreciate because this is the exact look I was going for. My curls dropped a little bit because it was tighter, but I had to get dressed, so I was running around putting like my mascara and all that stuff on, so they dropped a little bit. But this is exactly the look I was looking for. It was literally bone straight. This hair came bone straight, super pretty. Out the box, you can put it on your head, but I curled mine and this is the look I was going for, and I achieved it with this wig, y'all. You hear me? Like, I love it. it fits tight on your head, and not tight like that hurt tight. It's not that type of hurt. Y'all know that tight where it like hurt behind your ear or like behind your neck. Not with this one, boo. Not with this one. It's nice and tight where it's comfortable. Like, this ain't coming off, okay? It ain't slipping. The lace ain't super like budgy. You know how you get that lace and it's like where it's too much lace? No, this right here is not too short of a lace. It's not too long of a lace. The lace come perfect. I laid that chain on tight. Listen, this wig is the one. Like, I love it. Like, oh my goodness, this is better than them wigs, y'all. And I'm sure they got a website or whatever, but come on now. This right here should have been like $230. Like $240. I got it for $137. $137. What else I like about this wig? It come with baby hairs or whatever. But of course, like, I cut more into it. I should have wrote down what I liked about the wig. But I'm trying to think of any cons. Because I can't think of any cons on this wig yet, y'all. Like, of course, you have your normal shedding when you first take a wig out. You gotta comb it. I haven't had any shedding since that. And that was very minimum. Like, very minimum. Like, there really is no cons I can think of right now, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have to probably come back and do another review on, you know, an update. But I really can't think of nothing else, nothing bad on this wig. I think I might go back and get me a longer one, like super long. See how that works and see how full it is. But this is an 18-inch, so of course the shorter the hair, the more fuller it looks, the longer it thins out. But yeah, this is, I just can't stop touching it. I can't stop touching it. What else I like about this hair? It was really easy to pluck. The lace is not it's not that lace that tear easy, y'all. I've had some lace that tear so easily. It doesn't tear easily, the lace. And it just grips onto the glue effortlessly. Like, it just stuck so freaking good the first time. Like, you know how some wigs you have to put glue, like constantly put glue on it or whatever to get the lace to stick? No, baby. No, baby. This is one glue application and it was laid. It was laid. What else? I think that's it, y'all. I just wanted to come over here and show y'all this wig, and so y'all can get y'all one. Because listen, I was looking for YouTube videos on Amazon wigs because, like I said, I was skeptical, and I think it's good that we, you know, share videos like this with other women who are looking for like affordable wigs, because who want to be spending all that money on wigs trying to be cute? Well, is cute. We are cute, period. Okay, we cute. But I just wanted to be, you know, the one to help y'all out. Because I need the help too. And I forgot who video I seen where this wig was on. If I find it, I will enter her name on here somewhere. But thank you, girl. And whoever watched this video, you welcome. Because it's so pretty, y'all. I really like this wig. And if you buy it, go ahead and comment down below if you do purchase it. Just come back to this video and let me know your experience, or, you know, if you do purchase it. So I'm ready to go because I'm looking cute. So I'm ready to get out this house. I'll see y'all later in another video. I should be coming back with y'all with the Shein haul, because I ordered some stuff for fall. And she's asleep. You not even asleep, Ginger. You not even asleep. But I'm coming back with a Shein haul. Actually, this dress is one of the dresses from Shein. And y'all, it's so pretty and tight. But yeah, I see y'all in another video. Before y'all go ahead and subscribe and like and comment and, you know, share my channel. I appreciate the love. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see y'all in a video.